When I think of experiences that I've had that have possibly been like a turning point within my career, of course, the state championships, the 3 state championships that I won throughout my 5 years there. Those are always good moments, great moments to celebrate because, it shows a time where the team was able to come together to, as to one, to compete on one accord and, compete for something that was much bigger than the individual.